Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add page numbers in Canva. So if you also want to add page numbers in Canva, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome, or you can also open the Canva application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in canva.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Canva. Make sure you're logged into your account. So first of all, what you have to do is open the design in which you want to add the page number. You can see the recent designs over here. Simply click on the design that you want to open. Or you can also create a new design if you want. Now you can see over here, the design will be opened. At left, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for design, elements, text, brand, uploads, draw, projects. All you have to do is click on the text option that you can see at the third. Now you can see over here, text options will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to add a heading, subheading, body text, etc. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for dynamic text. This is a new feature of Canva. From here, you'll be able to add the page number. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for page numbers. All you have to do is click on it. Now the page numbers will be added to your pages. You can also move the position of the page number if you want. So that is how you add page numbers in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.